Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 35. We are currently continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we're walking down Stockton Street, starting from Green Street and making our way towards Broadway. This section of Stockton sits right at the edge of North Beach. As you begin at Green Street, you'll notice how the neighborhood still carries a strong Italian influence. Small cafes, family-run restaurants, and grocery stores that have been part of the community for decades. The sidewalks are lively and the buildings have that classical San Francisco style, with bay windows peeking out above storefronts. As you head south, the pace of the street quickens. Stockton here feels like a working street. Delivery trucks unloading, residents shopping for the day, and the occasional streetcar rumbling by just a block away on Columbus. The slope carries you gently downhill, and each block gives you a different angle of the skyline, with glimpses of Telegraph Hill behind you and the taller downtown buildings ahead. What makes this walk interesting is the mix of everyday life happening right in front of you. People chatting on street corners, the aroma of fresh bread drifting out of the bakeries, and the buzz of traffic all combine to create a very real, lived-in part of the city. It's not a tourist-heavy stretch, but rather one that shows you how North Beach blends into the greater city grid. Reaching Broadway, you come to a natural pause point. This street has long marked the transition between neighborhoods, and while we'll explore what lies beyond in later episodes, today we'll stop right there, taking the view up Stockton and appreciating this small but vibrant slice of San Francisco.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.